Viva, we can now start the meeting.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much, Jyoti ji. Meeting is called to order.
Hello, everyone. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes.
So, a very warm welcome to all our participants joining us today. We are delighted to have you all with us in this webinar on Care for Senior Citizens. I'm Dr. Tapti Roy Yadav, District Editor IWT 304, moderator for the today's session. Before we get going, we would request you all to abide by ground rules of this webinar. And I'm also sharing that on screen so that lest we may forget later. I guess the slide is visible on the screen.
Yeah, it's
Yeah. So I'm just requesting all the participants that their video shall remain on for the whole session. Participants' audio will be muted and can be unmuted on request. Questions will be dropped in the chat box so that we can take maximum queries and get answers from our speakers. Queries will be taken by moderator for the discussion so that it saves time, and we are trying to adhere to time allocated. And I would also request all our participants on screen here to keep their phone muted or maybe on, it can't be powered off, but then if you keep it muted, it would be nice. Ishaji, just make sure that no participants' audio should not get switched on and off. May I now request, Viva ma'am has already called the meeting to order. So I now request permission of Jyoti Mahipal ji, National Representative and Association President of the Association. Before that, I guess Innerville prayer is required before ma'am addresses the crowd. So I request Smita ji to please lead us through Innerville prayer. Smita Biani ji, District Secretary, Innerville District 304. Smita ji.
Anji, thank you. Begin our meeting with IW Press ready for the prayer. Kindly switch on your cameras if possible and raise your hands for the prayer. Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are all thy children, notwithstanding the differences in our culture and creeds. Endure us with a desire to serve our fellow men, remembering that we too often need help. Whenever or wherever the need for service arises, help us to be ready to serve, enduring to make our badge of Innerville worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain. Thank you. Let's continue to serve with love and friendship.
Smita, thank you. But I think from your side, there are two devices. You're logged in from two devices?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so please, that's why there's an echo. So please
Okay.
leave one device. Yes, Tapti?
Yeah. It's a great pleasure to invite District Chairman Vibha Singh ji, IWD 304, to express warm welcome to all the dignitaries, expert speakers, and the participants from all over India gathered here for this session. Ma'am, please. Vibha Singh ji, please address the crowd.
Thank you, Tapti. Thank you so much. Good afternoon, everyone, and Innerville greetings to one and all present here. It fills my heart with great, immense and joy to welcome you all to this very special day dedicated to a cause that truly touches the soul. Innerville cares for senior citizens. This beautiful initiative is the vision of our dynamic association president, Jyoti Mahipal ji. Jyoti ji, your thoughtfulness and compassion have always inspired us. On behalf of District 304, I extend my warmest and most affectionate welcome to you. I express my deepest gratitude to you for giving me this wonderful opportunity and such a meaningful topic. Hosting this session is indeed an honor for District 304. I also extend a hearty welcome to our Association Vice President, Vinutha Harish, our immediate past Association President, Sunita Jain, Honorary Association Secretary, Neelu Singh, Honorary Association Treasurer, Priya Tandon, National Editor, Kamlaji. We are truly honored by your gracious presence this evening. I hope they have joined. We are equally privileged to have with us two outstanding speakers, Dr. Apurva Pauranik and Dr. Isha Kulshrestha. Dr. Apurva Pauranik is a renowned neurologist. He is not only known for his medical excellence, but for his deep, almost spiritual approach to his subject. He works so passionately in his field that he often wonders, पता नहीं न्यूरोलॉजी ने मुझे चुना या मैंने न्यूरोलॉजी को चुना है. His focus goes far beyond treatment. He teaches how to live life meaningfully, how to plan our journey from the very beginning so that in old age we can remain mentally strong, emotionally stable, and physically active, avoiding problems like dementia or Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. His thoughts truly inspire us to lead a life full of awareness, balance, and gratitude. A warm welcome to you, Dr. Pauranik. And Dr. Isha, I know her personally, and I can say from the heart that there is a magic in her hands. She is a highly skilled physiotherapist, and the results of her therapy speak for themselves. Where others may take a month to heal, under her care, a person forgets in barely few sittings why they even came for treatment. Her healing touch, gentle smile, and dedication truly make her exceptional. Welcome, Isha. Welcome to this webinar. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation. A warm welcome also to all our past association presidents, our past district chairmen, my dear batchmates from other districts, and all the members from Association of Inner Wheel Clubs of India and other countries who have joined this evening with such enthusiasm. Your presence adds warmth, strength, and positivity to this gathering. This webinar beautifully reflects the spirit of Inner Wheel, to care, to share, and to serve with love. Our senior citizens are the roots that keep us grounded, the guiding lights that show us the path, and the hearts that bless us unconditionally. It is our privilege to care for them with the same affection and dignity that they have always given us. Once again, a heartfelt welcome to each one of you. Let's make this evening truly meaningful, inspiring, and filled with warmth and compassion. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vivaji, for such welcoming words. We are all thrilled to join this session, and I hope all the participants will listen very carefully and learn many more things that helps us and our seniors and family. And as we all know, an event full of encouragement and knowledge is slowly gathering the inertia to fly and live through the expanse. So may I now request our national representative and association president of Innerville India, Jyoti Mahipalji, to reflect upon the event Care for Senior Citizens through her opening remark. Ma'am, please.
Yeah, thank you so much, District Editor Tapti, for inviting me. A very good evening and inaugural greetings to District Chairman Vibha Singh, all my association colleagues, keynote speakers Dr. Apurva Pauranik and Dr. Isha Joshi, district officers and PDCs of District 304, all Innerville dignitaries and Innerville members. Welcome one and all to the webinar on care for senior citizens hosted by District 304. कहते हैं कि बुजुर्ग है छाया पेड़ों सी, बुजुर्ग है छाया पेड़ों सी, आशीषों की धार है, सेवा सम्मान करे सभी, यही जीवन का सार है. We Innerville members believe in the friendship and service. And as the charity begins at home. So first I request all the Innerville members take this initiative that you are taking care of your parents. The first thing, your in-laws and any senior members staying around you. So this is the first and foremost thing we have to start. We see aging every day around us in our parents, our relatives, and those we love, along with the many issues that accompany it. Like I see my mother is becoming 84 and she's gradually moving towards dementia. They need now again, they are going back to like a childhood. They have taken so much care of us. Now it is our time to take care of the seniors. Senior citizens they are the bank of experience, values, and stories. Caring for them is not a charity, it is a respect for them. Innerville stands for friendship, service, and empathy. By supporting the elderly, we reflect our core value of caring beyond ourselves, giving love and dignity to those once cared for us. So this Innerville, as I told you, Innerville year, we are designating every month to some special cause, and November month is designated for the care of senior citizens. And that's why this webinar has been arranged, and I really express my heartfelt gratitude to District 304 and especially District Chairman Vibha for taking up this initiative of arranging this webinar. Because it is very natural as a woman to be compassionate, to work with passion. And so caring for the senior citizen aligns beautifully with the Innerville spirit. So now the next question is what as a Innerville member we can do? As I mentioned, the first you start looking at your parents, in-laws. पहले उनको देखो, फिर बाहर निकलो. अगर हम उनको नहीं देख रहे, if we are not giving them time, then there is no point of doing any service outside. Now, how to take care of them? Take care of their health, wellness support, companionship. Also, our parents now need, they are watching that every time we are on the WhatsApp, phone, iPad. So please gift them a smartphone and teach them how to be techno savvy. Community integration, support of the senior homes, recognition, awareness. It's a lot of things, how to mentally prepare them. Don't make them feel that the aging is a very scary thing. Give with your different, talk, and that how they can become more aware, how to use toilets, how to use bathrooms, how to walk. Like my mother at 84 is very reluctant to walk with the stick. I say, no, you are not looking old, but you are looking very smart to walk with the stick. So you have to give them lots of talk and lots of support and the positivity to them that, no, now change, you have to prepare them how to accept the change with the age. So, my dear Innerville members, serving senior citizens is a way of saying thank you to the generation that built the world we live in. It's service with gratitude, an act of giving back to those who gave us everything. And when Innerville connects the young and old through projects or any fellowship events, we build a continuity of kindness, a society where every age feels valued. The purpose of webinar is to create awareness on our responsibilities for seniors at home and at outsiders. I just want to share with you, when I was the president in 2008 and 9, we started one center called Golpo Ghor. In Bangla, Golpo Ghor means Adda, a home adda for the senior citizens. So it was like a club for the underprivileged senior citizens, where they used to come every week, twice a week, and they used to talk. We used to get the snacks from our house. We used to get the medication. Used to teach them how to take care of them. And we also used to ask them to sing, to perform, anything, So that was a platform where they could share their ideas and we could take care of this. So this is, if you are having any vocational center, if you are running any school, there only, you don't need to buy a separate space. There only you can start such kind of clubs for the senior citizens, where they can come once a week or twice a week, where you can show them how to do exercise, physical movements and everything. So this one project, you don't take any amount from them. If you just want to, you can keep some board games also, so that they can be active. And actually they need lots of positivity, because few of them feel that they're nothing to do, they are not required by the society. We have to make them feel that yes, we care for you and we love you. Thank you so much, District 304, for hosting this. And without taking time, I think we all are waiting eagerly to hear from our keynote speakers. Thank you, Dr. Apurva ji and Isha ji, for joining us for this webinar. Thank you so much. Yeah, Tripti, please continue. You're muted.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. I was just extending thanks towards Jyoti ji for giving us this opportunity, because Innerville IWD 304 is constantly working for the welfare of senior citizens. We keep organizing all these events that you have just suggested, and we have learned many more. So we know that in future we would be, continuing with all these activities that has come a fresh idea to us. Let me just take this session a step forward and introduce Dr. Puranik. We have invited Dr. Puranik long back, so we are very thankful to Dr. Apurva Puranik to accept our invitation to be our speaker for the event. Is this visible? Is the slide visible?
Yes, 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 Tati.
So he had been presented with a sapling as a welcome gesture when we went to invite him. And then he had always also been presented with a memento. Ishaji, why screen playing is being stopped all the while?
No, it's okay. Perfect. Tati, continue.
You can try.
Am I
sharing it
audible, by the
again.
way? I'm not able to make out. Am I audible?
Yes, Tati,
Yes.
you are audible. If you're not audible, I will remind you.
Okay,
You please
fine,
continue.
fine. Okay. I don't know if the screen is visible now. Let me just invite Anita Sethi, President IWC Indore Uptown, to introduce our honorable speaker, consulting neurologist, Dr. Apurva Puranik, to the gathering. Anita ji.
Good evening.
Yes, Anita, continue.
Good evening and very warm welcome to one and all. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce our distinguished speaker for today's webinar, Dr. Apurva Puranik. Dr. Puranik had a brilliant academic career at MGM Medical College, Indore, and later completed his DM in neurology from the prestigious AIIMS, New Delhi, earning several gold medals along the way. He describes himself first and foremost as a medical teacher, and his dedication to spreading knowledge is reflected through his innovative initiatives such as neurology certificate course for primary care physicians across Madhya Pradesh and neuro quiz for MBBS and MD students. Dr. Puranik was the only neurologist contestant in the famous Mastermind India quiz hosted by Siddharth Basu for BBC World. Among his many memorable experiences, he had the privilege of conducting a 2-hour interview with the world-renowned neurologist and author Dr. Oliver Sacks in New York. His passion for neurology advocacy has been internationally recognized. The American Academy of Neurology honored him as a mentor in their Palatushi Leadership Program, with his contributions featured on global platforms such as World Federation of Neurology and the World Neurology Foundation. Dr. Puranik's outstanding work has earned him numerous international accolades, including the Park Davis Award for Epilepsy Services and Education Grant from the International League Against Epilepsy and a Rotary Foundation grant from the USA, among others. In Indore, he has pioneered patient support groups from various neurological disorders and remains deeply engaged in public health and patient education. His research interest in physiology and neurolinguistics showcases his remarkable interdisciplinary vision. Please join me in warmly welcoming Dr. Apurva Puranik, an exceptional neurologist, teacher, researcher, and humanitarian. Thank you.
With the Association of Inner Wheel Clubs of India, I am a die-hard Rotarian, though not as active as I used to be in the initial 3 decades of my Rotary life. Now it is 4th decade ending of my Rotary membership, and my wife is also active in Inner Wheel Club. So we share good memories with Rotary and Inner Wheel. The topic which has been given to me is caring for senior citizens, and I will now share my screen. Just a minute. So, is it visible or full? Is it full screen? Yeah, cut hai.
No, sir, you'll have to do the presentation thing. Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir,
Yes.
it's completely visible, sir.
yeah, sure. So, this is the topic, caring for senior citizens. At the outset of my talk, I pay my respect to my mother, Mrs. Triveni Pauranik. She is 92 plus, and she is a prolific reader and writer still now. And what she says, oldies are cute, just spend some time with them, that's all they want. So that's the care for senior citizens. Being a neurologist, I will focus more on brain health in old age. And even in brain health, I will focus on personal level, what an individual can do and should not do. Brain health is also a topic at social level, policy level, government level. That's a different thing that I'm not going to cover today. Caring for senior citizens will include messages for senior citizens themselves and then messages for other people. The other people include people close by, they are important for today's talk. And the messages for society in general, I am not going to talk today. What society and government can do. Why this subject is important? I am so glad that you have chosen this subject. Because of changing shape of population pyramid of India. At the time of independence, our population was base heavy and top narrow. And now we are bulging in the middle. That means the middle age people are more, while the birth, you know that our annual replacement rate of birth has now come down to 2.1 or 2, and it is below the replacement level. That means in the coming decade, we will have more and more elderly people. Not only the longevity or quantity, but also the quality of life in old age has changed. तो क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ पीपल आज से 40-50 साल पहले क्या थी और आज के ओल्डी कितना एक्टिव हैं, देयर इज अ ग्रॉस डिफरेंस. देयर इज अ चेंज इन द फेल्ट नीड परसेप्शन. इन ओल्डन टाइम द ओल्ड पीपल didn't feel anything कि हमको ये भी चाहिए. Now the old is I am 72. I have a perception that I need to do so many things even at this age. I don't resign from life. I don't retire from life. So these are the reasons. Then there is a need to preserve Indian family institution. Unfortunately, it is fraying at margins, and nuclear families are increasing, joint families are decreasing, and that's why the care of senior citizen becomes more important. And if you talk from purely selfish point of view, economic selfish, Potential contribution by healthy senior citizens for family, for society, and for nation is immense. So you have to harness their contribution. That's why this subject is so important. The first message is, if body is fit, then the brain is healthy. A healthy brain resides in a healthy body. The brain is part of our body. So health of the body is first condition for healthy brain. So whatever other people keep on talking, there are many talks, popular lectures on healthy heart. There are many popular lectures on control of diabetes and healthy diet. I'm not going to be in great detail about them. I will just say, yes, all this is important because that is the bedrock. That is the first step. If you want to reach the second stage of healthy brain, you have to come on the first step of healthy body and healthy heart. Then only healthy brain will come. The most important thing for keeping the body healthy is work. Keep working hard. Physical work is necessary. Laziness should be minimum. Obesity kills. Play and exercise a lot. Take regular part in any sport. Do a variety of workouts, particularly resistive, in which you will build the muscles. Then you should do the cardio also, in which you can have more breathing and heart rate. You may join a gym, yoga are good, and anything, running, cycling, swimming is good. So why am I emphasizing? Healthy body leads to healthy mind. So all these things, exercise are important for healthy body. Don't let obesity come. And there are two formulas by which you can judge whether you are having the correct weight or not. One is known as body mass index, which should be between 20 to 25, and it is calculated on various applications are available on mobile. Body weight in kilograms divided by square of height in centimeters. Another more useful ratio nowadays, which is very simple with a measuring tape, girth of the waist in centimeters and the girth at the hips in centimeters. This should be 0.8 to 0.9. That should be the ideal thing. So the hip diameter should be slightly more than your kamar ka diameter or waist diameter. The only way to reduce obesity is to cut the amount of food you eat now and also the type of food you eat now. Sweets almost zero, no fried food, less oil, maida or processed wheat flour, they should be avoided. Make the brain's bank balance bigger. This is important for good brain health in old age. Get a lot of education, increase knowledge, keep on increasing knowledge, learn a lot of skills, keep on learning new skills. Everything ultimately decreases in old age. If the initial capital is high from the beginning, it will remain with you for a longer time. हाथी दुबला भी हो जाए तो भी हाथी ही रहता है. The more you fill, the more it will work. From childhood to old age, the more you study, the more you learn, the more you knowledge gain, the better your brain will be. Brain always decreases in old age and disease. So make a good bank balance in advance. Not only the quantity, but the variety also. More variety you add, the better it will be. It is good to be master in one, but you should be good in many skills, not only one. ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, master of none and jack of all. Okay, but you should be good in more than one. There has to be something else beside that. Keep learning new skills. Become knowledgeable in more than one language. Even at senior age, if you start learning one language with a script, it improves the brain function because it taps into connections and synapses and networks, learning the new language, and that overall enhances your IQ power and your thinking power and all those things. Delve into subjects a little beyond your expertise. The whole life you have been a banker. Now do something extra, something new. Develop a hobby. Try to increase the ability and skill. So what I said, bank balance has to be bigger, and in that balance, the portfolio should be wide. The portfolio of investment. So some in the stocks and some in the gold and some in the real estate and some in the bonds, etc. So more variety should be there in your brain bank. Keep your mind using. Use your brain or you lose it. You can solve word puzzles, you can participate in quizzes, questionnaires. But I will emphasize here that reading and writing are important. And in fact, writing in a diary or writing a letter is very important. Language and script I already told. Do a lot of intellectual work. No one gets sick by working too much. Do the work with interest जो आपको अच्छा लगता है. Try to do it better. Keep writing. Writing is a very good exercise for brain. Unfortunately, हम लोगों ने पत्र लिखना छोड़ दिया and our writing is destined to a few short phrases on our mobile phone. Of course, you can type on a mobile or a desktop or a laptop, or you can write with a pen and pencil. The more you drive the brain, more it will work. Laziness and overrest will keep the body parts weak. Regarding the brain exercises, their usefulness is limited. Puzzles, word puzzles, playing Sudoku, you will become good in those skills, but where those skills will be transferred to other intelligence, that is not proven. You are a grand chess master, chess आप बहुत अच्छा खेलते हैं. That doesn't mean that your IQ in other areas will be equally good. It may be good, but those skills will not necessarily transfer to other areas. Now I come to some medical aspects. Maintain the blood supply of the brain. All the organs of the body, they need an adequate flow of blood every second. Many other organs tolerate a little bit of deficiency, but kidney, heart, and most importantly, the brain are सबसे नाजुक, very fragile. For this, it is necessary that blood pressure is controlled, blood sugar never increases in diabetics, and the amount of cholesterol and other fatty chemicals in the blood is controlled. Stay away from all kinds of intoxications. Smoking and use of tobacco in any form is bad. Alcohol is bad. Even a small amount is harmful. Occasional small amount is harmful to mind, body, and body. Cannabis, bhang, ganja, and all other intoxications have a permanent adverse effect on the functioning of the brain. Ahar shuddhau sattva shuddhihi. Pure blood purifies mind. Eat healthy food, balanced diet, less salt, less sweet, low in carbohydrate, more in protein, more in fiber. The problem with vegetarians is that they have limited choice for proteins. They do have, we have, as long as you take dairy products, you have options of cheese and curd and paneer and tofu and soya and dal and nuggets. All those things are fairly good source. But if you can take egg or fish from animal origin, those are good proteins. Our food should be having minimum saturated food. Saturated fats mean ghee. A little amount is okay, but an excessive amount of saturated fat is bad. There should be 2 or 3 servings every day of fruits and vegetables and processed foods. Unfortunately, lot of food which we eat and which we buy from our malls is processed food. The industry of food processing is harmful for the health of the society. They should be kept at the minimum. Preferably eat at home instead of outside. However, people ask me, are there any special food or tonic which can improve the brain intellect? No, there is nothing like that. No almonds, no walnuts, no Chyawanprash, etc. Nothing will improve your memory and IQ. Stay social. Face to face, okay. If not face to face, maybe screen, but less so on a screen. After all, screen is also being social, but it should be more face to face. Make friends, keep talking, keep meeting. Loneliness is bad. Keep gossiping. Discuss it in the company of intellectual and happy people. इस तरह के मित्र बनाओ जो बौद्धिक हों, academic हों, खुश रहने वाले हों. Spend time with family and friends. Keep good company. Keep company with people younger than you, because time spent with children and students will fill the mind with energy. Befriend those who are wiser and smarter than you. We learn from competition, and family harmony is the pivot. Healthy brain is not possible without healthy family support. New bad habits which have come up recently are, we are having lots of screen time and we are having lots of sitting time. Many of our jobs, and even without job, We keep on sitting either on work desk or on our sofa in front of the TV known as couch potato. Sitting is very bad for health. So sitting time should be reduced, screen time should be reduced. Immerse yourself in arts. Enjoy arts. They are very good for brain, depending on your choice. Song, music, dance, painting, acting. Learn something new yourself at any age. Get creative, be creative, or at least become a quality connoisseur or customer or appreciator. Listen and see and enjoy. Enjoy the arts. Keep listening, keep watching, learn something. So arts are very good for brain. Sleep is important for brain health. In long, deep sleep, many dirty metabolite substances from the brain are cleansed out of the brain. One should get 7 to 8 hours of the sleep, maybe 7 hours in night and another half an hour in the day. Well, the range is 6 to 8 hours. Even if it is 6.5, that's okay. And with the age, the requirement of age sleep becomes less. While resting during the day, but not sleeping or sitting, even then you can cover your eye with a bandage for some time. Keeping the eye closed helps. The functions of sleep are: it helps in neurodevelopment, it increases the synaptic plasticity. So all the neurons are having connections with each other, and that connection is called synapse. And what is plasticity? When you learn something, those synapses get modified and they become facilitator of new skill and new information and new memory. So you increase the plasticity during sleep. If you are not getting enough sleep, your mental health will go down, your memories will not be strengthened, your memories will not be consolidated, your metabolic functions and chemistry and cancer prevention will be affected, your immune system will not get a boost which it normally gets during the sleep. These are some of the channels which are known as glymphatics, and this is a image from a mouse brain model which is showing flute channels in purple color, and these are the channels which flush out the brain's waste into the blood vessels during sleep. And this was a study using MRI showing the activation of the brain, more activation, less activation, depending on color coding. I will not go into the details. But when the eyes are open and the patient and the volunteer is into the MRI machine and his eyes are open and he is thinking something, many areas of the brain are active. Now we give him a patti. I will show the image in a minute. And his eyes are closed. Lesser areas of brain are active. So you are consuming less energy. Something like this I use.
शशि जी ने ऑलरेडी इतना अच्छा खासा मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन दे दिया है, बट जस्ट टू रिट्रेट, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर ईशा है और मुझे थोड़ा समय हो गया है फिजियोथेरेपी प्रैक्टिस करते हुए. उसके साथ साथ आई एम ऑल्सो न्यूट्रिशन एक्सपर्ट. वी हैव वर्कड, देयर इज अनदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जिसको कि हम को हेड करते हैं, जहाँ पे साइकोलॉजी और मैं ये क्यों बता रही हूँ आपको, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा बहुत हमारे टॉपिक से मिलता जुलता है. सो वी हैव अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ साइकोलॉजी, न्यूट्रिशन एंड फिजिकल थेरेपी, जहाँ हम बहुत स्पेसिफिक एरियाज को और ग्रुप्स ऑफ पीपल को टारगेट करते हैं. उसमें से elderly population, people 60 plus, is something that we love to work with. So creating a very healthy, balanced life for them. So the moment this came to me, I was very happy to take this through. Okay, so just moving forward into our topic. Again, I'm sure a lot of people will see this later on. तो जो आज हमको नहीं ज्वाइन कर पाए हैं और बाद में हमको ज्वाइन करेंगे, उनको भी हेलो, नमस्कार, and thank you for watching this. So we are talking about aging. Now, सबसे बड़ी चीज क्या होती है aging में? A lot of times, the biggest flaw, okay, and I would like you to probably write this in the chat, etc. आपको क्या लगता है कि एक समय के बाद सबसे बड़ी डिफिकल्टी क्या आती है हमको? जिस चैट में फटाफट से लिख दीजिए, या आप अनम्यूट करके भी बोल सकते हैं. So after 40 something changes, which is where I am, after 60 something changes in our bodies, and after 70 something changes in our body. So if we have people, if we are in the same age group या हमारे आसपास सीनियर लोग हैं, सबसे बड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेशन हमको क्या लगता है? Do we have this in the chat? Answers? Any answers?
Pain in legs.
Pain in legs, right. And along with that,
Mostly they have said knee problem, joint stiff, mobility issue, joint pains.
absolutely, absolutely. So all of this, there will be pain, there is going to be stiffness, there is going to be unexplained aches and this thing. कभी हमको लगेगा हम उठेंगे और हमको लगेगा आज कंधा ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा है, तो मोबिलिटी इश्यूज हमको होने लगते हैं. कभी कभी हमको लगता है कि बैलेंस भी शायद थोड़ा बहुत जा रहा है. So eventually, but with all of this, what happens is for people who are keeping very fit and very healthy, वो तो बढ़िया मोबाइल रहते हैं, बट उसको भी मेंटेनेंस थोड़ा बढ़ जाता है. द बिगेस्ट इशू दैट वी फाइंड इज दैट वी फील दैट वी आर नॉट एबल टू डू थिंग्स जो हम शायद पहले कर पाते थे, एंड वी काइंड ऑफ फील कि थोड़ा हम डिसेबल हो रहे हैं, जबकि कोई फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी नहीं है, बट एट द सेम टाइम वी आर नॉट द सेम पीपल दैट वी वर 10 years ago. सो वी डोंट लाइक दैट पर्टिकुलर फीलिंग. या हम सोचते हैं कि किस प्रकार से उसको हम ये जो फीलिंग है कि ये नहीं हो पा रहा है, वो नहीं हो पा रहा है, उसको हम कम किस तरीके से कर सकते हैं, राइट? नॉट टू बी एबल टू डू दैट, देर आर वेरी वेरी सिंपल थिंग्स. तो हमारे शरीर में ये जो डिसेबिलिटी आ रही होती है, ये जो एक फीलिंग आती है कि आई एम नॉट द सेम पर्सन, इसमें ये 3-4 चीजें होती हैं. एक, हमारी मांसपेशियों का, हमारा खुद का जो शरीर है वो उतना ताकतवर नहीं रहा, हम उतनी ताकत नहीं महसूस करते, उतनी स्ट्रेंथ अपनी मसल्स में नहीं फील करते. तो यदि हम पहले 4 किलोमीटर चल पाते थे, तो अब शायद ऐसा लगता है कि 4 में हल्का बहुत थक रहे हैं. पहले ये सीढ़ियां फटाफट चल जाते थे, अब उसको चढ़ने में थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. वो घुटनों की दर्द की वजह से हो सकता है, या वो वैसे ही थोड़ा भारीपन लग सकता है हमको, है ना? उसके आगे अब जब ये सब चीजें हो रहे हैं, चाल में फर्क आ जाता है, बिकॉज एज वी एज, एज वी ग्रो, हमारा जो स्केलेटल सिस्टम है, इवन आवर बोन्स बिकम अ लिटिल वीक, आवर मसल्स आर बिकम हैव बिकम अ लिटिल स्टिफ, और फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी भी कहीं ना कहीं अफेक्ट होती है. नाउ विद दैट, जो हमारा इंडिपेंडेंट लाइफ था, उसमें हमको छोटी छोटी चीजों में, एज एज वी एज फर्दर, हमको छोटी छोटी चीजों में मदद की जरूरत लगने लगती है. और वो बहुत अच्छा सबको नहीं लगता है, सम पीपल एंजॉय इट ऑल्सो, बट नॉट एवरीबडी इज कंफर्टेबल विद दैट आइडिया कि यार इतनी छोटी सी चीज के लिए मुझे मदद की जरूरत है. अपनी खुद की पानी की बोतल में भर के पूरा जो जार है 5 लीटर का, मैं ऊपर नहीं ले जा सकते. So, with that, at times the confidence of many people will take थोड़ा सा स्टेप बैक ले लेगा. ओके, तो बहुत सारी चीजें सच में सही नहीं होती है, मगर हम जिस तरीके से कंडीशनड होते हैं, हम जिस तरीके से सोसाइटी में मूव अराउंड करते हैं, उसमें भी बहुत सारी चीजें हम सच मानने लगते हैं. ओके, अब कौन कौन सी वो चीजें हैं जिनको हमको लगता है कि मिथ्स हैं? ओके, डज एनीबडी हैज एनीथिंग जिनको लगता है कि हाँ सीनियर एज में ऐसा होता है या नहीं होना चाहिए? ओके, बहुत कोई कोई मिथ है किसी के दिमाग में, या कोई एक पर्टिकुलर आइडिया है किसी के दिमाग में कि सीनियर एज में ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए? एंड व्हेन आई एम सेइंग सीनियर, आई एम टॉकिंग 70+. 65 तक भी इट्स ओके, बट 65-70+. जैसे सर ने अभी एक मिथ ब्रेक किया था एंड ऑफ द सेशन व्हेन ही वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट सेक्सुअल बिहेवियर, देन ही वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट अदर थिंग्स आल्सो. So that is a particular myth. Okay, do we have something in the chat which has come up? Because sorry, but I can't see the chat right now in this mode.
About the loneliness, one person has written. Yeah.
Oh yes, when somebody is okay, and loss of confidence. Yes, less speech. Okay, yeah, yes, exactly. So many things, that there's a lack of romance, you need a companionship, there's loneliness. There are certain behaviors जो society हमारी define करती है कि ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, वैसा नहीं करना चाहिए. For example, we find it very, very, very recently, there's this lady who's going viral on Instagram. She's an 85-year-old woman and she's gymming. Lack of fun, yes. अपनी feelings नहीं share कर सकते, आप मस्ती नहीं कर सकते, आप जो चीजें आपको ऐसा लगता है कि इसमें इसमें मजा आ रहा है, द यंग पीपल आर बीइंग एबल टू डू दैट. इफ यू डू दैट, पीपल से कि अरे उम्र तो देख लो. बट ऑल ऑफ दिस इज समहाउ, अगेन आई एम सेइंग, दिस इज ओनली एंड ओनली डिफाइंड बाय द सोसाइटल स्ट्रक्चर. क्योंकि सच है वो, दिल तो बच्चा है जी, है ना। तो हमको क्या है जो सच है और क्या है जो सच नहीं है ना। सम थिंग्स एज वी से कि अरे बुढ़ापे में तो बीमार तो रहोगे ही, दैट्स अ मिथ। क्यों बीमार रहोगे? अगर आपका शरीर अच्छे से काम कर रहा है, आप यदि अच्छा खाने का सेवन कर रहे हैं, आप बढ़िया, एब्सोल्युटली नाइस हैं, यू डोंट हैव एंजाइटी जो आपको बहुत परेशान कर रही है, yeah, I mean, we still have things coming in the chat which say बच्चे क्या कहेंगे, दुनिया क्या कहेगी। Absolutely, fashionable होना भी लोग don't like it, okay? Correct, correct. So there's some things which the body is going through, which Dr. Puranik also took very nicely about the changes, etc., etc., and the medical conditions that he has also touched upon. तो मैं अब पूरी तरीके से उसमें नहीं जाऊंगी because sir already काफी कुछ एक्सप्लेन कर सक चुके हैं. This is just going to be repetition otherwise. So yes, your bones are not as healthy as they were earlier, especially with women. आपकी कैल्शियम डिप्लीशन थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा इफेक्टेड होती है, तो देर इज़ अ हायर चांस कि हमको ओस्टियोपीनिया होगा, देर इज़ अ हायर चांस कि हमारी बोन्स एज अ वुमेन, एंड मोस्टली ऑल्सो इंडिया बीइंग लार्जली वेजिटेरियन कंट्री, और हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोटीन के ऊपर ध्यान देते नहीं हैं, विच इज़ समथिंग जो सर भी एम्फसाइज कर रहे थे। तो हमारे रोज़मर्रा के खाने में यदि अगर हमारा न्यूट्रिशन अच्छा है, इफ इट इज़ प्लान्ड एंड वेल सेटल्ड, ग्रेट, बट देर इज अ हायर चांस विद एज कि आपको सार्कोपीनिया विच इज मसल लॉस होता है ना, और आपका बोन लॉस। तो आपका स्केलेटल सिस्टम इन्हीं दो चीज़ों से बना है, या बोन्स और या मसल्स। अब ये दोनों थोड़ी थोड़ी वीक हो रही हैं, तो उससे परेशानी होगी। बट ओके, एंड एट द सेम टाइम देयर इज समथिंग दैट आई कीप हियरिंग वेरी ऑफ्टन। बॉलीवुड ने हमको सबको सिखाया है 60 पैंसठ आ रहे हैं, विच इज सो स्टीरियोटिपिकल, and I just don't understand it. I do not relate to that particular idea, because today people, we are not the same. जो जो मेरे शायद ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स की जनरेशन के जो लोग थे, आज 60 साल के लोग वैसे नहीं हैं। आई रिमेम्बर इन दोज टाइम्स 40 45 वर्ष के, अब ये बूढ़े से होने लगे। टुडे लाइफ स्टार्टिंग एट 40, 60s where you realizing maybe 50s 60s you realizing okay, children are settled in their own lives, वो बढ़िया अपना जीवन जी रहे हैं, and this is the time when people actually start doing things जो उनको अच्छा लगता है, right? So mentally their life is also somewhere starting, right? अब यहाँ पे, but with a little more this thing, so it's great, you're enjoying, you're doing things which you never could do because of responsibilities, and you're having a ball of lifetime. बट एट द सेम टाइम कभी कभी अगर हमारा शरीर हमारा साथ थोड़ा बहुत नहीं दे रहा है, सो ब्रेन वाइज एंड ब्रेन वायरिंग वाइज क्या होता है, बैलेंस की प्रॉब्लम आने लगेगी। इट विल बी मच मोर विद 70 75 प्लस, बट इट माइट स्टार्ट अ लिटिल अर्ली ऑल्सो, ओके। ओके, सो देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन, विल कम टू दैट लेटर अबाउट सप्लीमेंटेशन, मुझे याद दिला दीजिएगा अगर मैं भूल जाऊं। सो बैलेंस बिकम्स अ मेजर मोस्ट प्रॉब्लम. So, as a physio, what I see and what I'm most afraid of is falls in elderly. क्योंकि बोन हेल्थ अफेक्टेड है, एंड फॉल होगा तो सबसे ज्यादा चांस है कि उस फॉल में हिप जॉइंट जो है वो अफेक्ट होता है, और वो टूटता ही है। एंड वंस दैट हैपन, बिकॉज द बोन हेल्थ इज नॉट वेरी ग्रेट, आपके सर्कुलेशन भी अफेक्टेड है, और अगर किसी घर में हो चुका है या आसपास वो इस कंडीशन, ऐसे किसी कंडीशन को देख चुके हैं, they will be able to understand that how difficult it becomes for the person जिसके साथ में फॉल हुआ, जिनको परेशानी हो रही है। ऑफ कोर्स केयर टेकर्स का भी काम बढ़ जाता है, बट द हीलिंग इज स्लो। फिर धीरे धीरे उसमें और कॉम्प्लिकेशंस आने लगते हैं, बिकॉज मोबिलिटी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं बहुत समय तक, बेड पे ही हैं, तो इट काइंड ऑफ स्टार्ट्स बिकमिंग अ प्रॉब्लम, ओके। देन कोऑर्डिनेशन स्टार्ट्स बिकमिंग अ प्रॉब्लम। विद वेरी सीनियर पीपल हमने देखा होगा कि वो कभी कभी ऐसा ना, छोटे बच्चों के जैसे चम्मच से यदि खाना खा रहे हैं तो डायरेक्ट मुंह में नहीं जा रहा है, थोड़ा इधर उधर चला जा रहा है। दैट्स बेसिक कोऑर्डिनेशन। कहीं पे कुछ रखना चाह रहे हैं तो वो एग्जैक्ट जगह पे नहीं पहुंचा। देन सर वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट अल्जाइमर्स, उसके साथ में मेडिकल कॉम्प्लिकेशंस जो अलग आते हैं, वेयर द हैंड इज ट्रेम्बलिंग, etc. All of that will also happen. और रिएक्शन टाइम जो होता है, आपको जो चीज़ों के साथ डील करने का जो समय है, उसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा समय लगता है. आप उतनी ही जल्दी बॉल नहीं कैच कर सकते जितने शायद यू कुड हैव डन इन योर 20s और 30s और 40s ऑल्सो मे बी. ऑलराइट. सो मिथ क्या बन गया है कि एजिंग का मतलब डिक्लाइन ही होगा, एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू गो साउथ. ऐसा नहीं है. एजिंग, आई अंडरस्टैंड कि धीरे धीरे शरीर उतना एक्टिव नहीं है, मगर इसका ये भी मतलब नहीं कि वो इट इज मेंट फॉर डूम. द ब्यूटी ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी एंड ह्यूमन माइंड इसकी वो हर चीज कर सकता है जिसके लिए हम उसको ट्रेन करें. आप उसको आलसी रहने के लिए ट्रेन कर देंगे, बहुत अच्छे से सीख जाएगा. आप उसको एक्टिव लेने रहने के लिए ट्रेन करेंगे, it will learn. If you start training your brain to be smarter, it will start becoming smarter. अब प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि हम बस उसको ट्रेन नहीं करते. एंड एज वी ग्रो इन लाइफ, ऑल ऑफ अस सिटिंग हियर, ईमानदारी से, मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, मगर ईमानदारी से अपने आप को बताइए कि हम कितनी बार कोई नई अपॉर्चुनिटी या कोई नई स्किल सीखने की कोशिश करते हैं साल भर में. क्या हम एक्टिवली जाके कोई नई स्किल सीखने की कोशिश कर रहे होते हैं? हर 2 महीने में चलो कुछ नया सीखें, चलो कुछ नया सीखें, वो नहीं करते हैं. सो इफ वी आर नॉट डूइंग दैट, एंड हाउ डू वी डू दैट? व्हेन इट कम्स टू द बॉडी, वी स्टार्ट टीचिंग आवरसेल्व्स न्यू एक्सरसाइजेस, या हम वो काम करने के हम अभी नहीं कर रहे थे. इफ इट इज अबाउट द मेंटल एक्टिविटी, देन हम वो काम करें जो हमको नहीं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सुडोकू खेलते हैं लोग, है ना. आप लोग कैंडी क्रश की बात कर रहे थे इसके पहले. सो कैंडी क्रश करने में क्या होता है? कोऑर्डिनेशन पट 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 तो चल रहा है, हाथों का और आंखों का कोऑर्डिनेशन चल रहा है. एट द सेम टाइम और क्या चल रहा है? यू हैव टू थिंक कॉन्स्टेंटली, राइट. पहले के लोग अंताक्षरी खेलते थे, दैट वाज अ वेरी गुड गेम ऑल्सो, बिकॉज यू हैव टू रिकॉल, और आप फटाफट फटाफट आपको वो गाने गाने होते थे. तो कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखते रहेंगे, योर ब्रेन इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. ओके. सो फॉर नाउ आई वुड लाइक एवरीबडी टू जस्ट डू अ पर्टिकुलर टेस्ट. तो जो लोग अभी कर सकते हैं वो करें, मैं बोलते जाते हूँ, आप करते जाएंगे, और मुझे इसके आंसर जरूर दीजिएगा. मगर तो अपनी जगह पे जहाँ पे भी आप हैं वहां पे खड़े हो जाएं, ज्यादा जगह नहीं चाहिए, और एक पैर पे खड़े होंगे विदाउट सपोर्ट. और यदि कोई ज्यादा सीनियर है एज में, आई वुड लाइक यू टेक हेल्प ऑफ समबडी, ताकि यदि आप की थोड़ा सा बैलेंस ऊपर नीचे होता है तो वो आपको संभाल सके. और एक पैर पे खड़े होंगे अपनी आंखें बंद करके. सो वी विल स्टार्ट ऑन 3, in 1, 2, 3. And we are going to do this for 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ठीक है, आप नॉर्मली खड़े हो सकते हैं. क्या आप थोड़ा बहुत हिले थे? अब चार्ट में लिखिए प्लीज, क्या आप थोड़ा बहुत हिले थे? यदि यस यस, हाँ हाँ, लिखते जाइए लिखते जाइए लिखते जाइए. यदि आप हिले थे, दैट मीन्स विद इन 10 सेकेंड्स, दिस मूवमेंट मीन्स कि आपको कहीं ना कहीं आप यू आर इन अ रिस्क ऑफ फॉल. तो हमको क्या करना है? हमको उसके लिए अपने आप को ट्रेन करना है. अगेन, बैलेंस एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन स्टार्ट बिकमिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो दिस इज वेरी सिंपल टेस्ट. ओके. टू, should we do another test or we can move ahead? I have a lot of tests which I can make you do.
Yes.
Okay. So again, as I said, इसको एक मार्कर नहीं बना लेंगे. Another test. Okay, let's do another test. But yes, yes, I understand. There's a feeling कि गिर जाएंगे, या कभी कभी हमारे घुटने साथ नहीं दे रहे होते हैं. Absolutely understand. तो इसको फटाफट से करते हैं हम. And I want, आपके पास चलने की थोड़ी जगह होनी चाहिए, करीबन 10 से 12 कदम, और वापस आएंगे. ठीक है. सो हैव अ चेयर विच इज कंफर्टेबल. जैसे ही आपकी चेयर हो जाए, प्लीज जस्ट गिव मी अ थम्स अप. चेयर जिसके आगे चलने की जगह है, एंड जस्ट गिव मी अ थम्स अप क्विकली व्हेनेवर दैट यू आर डन. तो जैसे ही थम्स अप आएंगे, मुझे पता है कि वी आर रेडी. ऑलराइट. एक ही आया अभी. गुड 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 गुड. सो वील सिट ऑन द चेयर. बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट। आप अपने हाथों से सपोर्ट नहीं लेंगे उठने के लिए। ओके ओके, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टिंग। सो वी स्टार्ट इन 5 seconds। तब तक प्लीज सिट ऑन द चेयर, आपके सामने की जगह क्लियर हो। जब आप उठेंगे और जब आप चेयर पे बैठेंगे, उसमें हाथों का सहारा नहीं लेंगे उठते वक्त और ना ही बैठते वक्त। ऑलराइट, सो नाउ व्हाट आई वांट यू टू डू इज द मोमेंट आई से गो, आप उठेंगे, चल के जाएंगे और वापस आएंगे। और प्लीज अपना फोन अपने पास रख सकते हैं ताकि आप सेकंड्स काउंट कर सकें, बिकॉज यू हैव टू टेल मी हाउ मेनी सेकंड्स इट टुक आपको जाके वापस आने में। ऑलराइट, और somebody else can do it for you. Should we start? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop. आई होप सब लोग वापस आ गए। ओके ओके, ग्रेट। हम कम से कम 10 कदम चल के गए थे। 10 फीट, 10 कदम शुड बिकम 10 फीट। यस, गुड गुड। सो बिकॉज दिस वॉज ओनली 10 फीट, इसका डिस्टेंस थोड़ा सा ज्यादा, दैट्स अ वेरी प्रैक्टिकल टेस्ट। 13 कदम, इवन बेटर। सो एनीबody who did it under 8 seconds is very good. There is no chance of you're not precursor to fall. Okay, anybody who did around 10, 11, perfectly fine. किसी का अगर 15, 16 से ज्यादा क्रॉस किया है, that means you are at a risk factor of falling. ठीक, so this is a very basic understanding. तो अब हमको करना क्या होता है? 10 seconds, 15 steps. Oh, you did good. 10 seconds, 15 feet. Chalega. Not really, not at a very major risk. Okay. So good. Congratulations. You can clap for yourself. You did a very good job. Okay. तो हमको करना क्या होता है? Now, what does physiotherapy do for people? ज्यादातर लोगों को लगता है फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के दर्द होगा, जाएंगे वो कुछ कुछ करेंगे, दबाएंगे, मशीन लगा देंगे, वापस आ जाएंगे, दर्द इज गोइंग टू बी फाइन। बट एंड इफ यू दिस इज राइट, दिस इज व्हाट फिजियोथेरेपी इज। मशीन लगाएंगे, कुछ और करेंगे, कुछ दबाएंगे, थोड़ी मसाज से करेंगे, यही होता है फिजियोथेरेपी। दैट्स व्हाट यू नो अबाउट। यस, नो, that's what. So yes, if you have yes, then you give me a thumbs up. If you think it's no, then you give me a thumbs down. This is what we generally think, right? Yes. And you're not wrong, because आपको शायद यही बताया गया है, आपका एक्सपोजर उतना ही है। फिजियोथेरेपी का ये बहुत छोटा सा सेगमेंट है कि हम आपके पेन को ठीक करें। माय जॉब एज अ फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट इज पहला असेसमेंट करना है कि अगर आपको जो परेशानी हो रही है वो क्यों हो रही है। ओके, एंड दिस इज नॉट जस्ट कि अभी ये पेन हो रहा है, आप दिन भर में क्या कर रहे हैं ऐसा जिसकी वजह से कॉम्प्लिकेशन बढ़ रही है। दूसरा, एक्सरसाइज एक्सरसाइज एक्सरसाइज। दिस इज वॉट वी मेक यू डू, बिकॉज आपकी मांसपेशियों को ताकतवर होना ज्यादा जरूरी है एज कंपेयर टू एनीथिंग एल्स, नो। तो इमेजिन करिए कि यदि आप अभी 1 किलो का पैकेट सब उठा के घूम सकते हैं, पर मैं आपको वो 10 किलो का चावल का बोरी दे दूं और बोलूं कि आपके गेट से किचन तक रख के आइए। ओके, we'll come to this. We will take these questions maybe by the end. So if I tell you to take a 10 किलो का बोरी and move around, it's going to be difficult because you're not used to it. पर अगर हम आपको धीरे धीरे उसके लिए ट्रेन करें, अगर आप रोज कभी 2 किलो का, फिर 3 किलो का, फिर 4 किलो का, फिर 7 किलो का, one day you will be able to do that. That is what physiotherapy is about, to make you stronger. और आपको जो करने की इच्छा है वो हमारा काम है कि आपको करवा सकें। ओके, now I'll just share the story of Mrs. Sharma very quickly. इनको बहुत मेजर नी इंजरी हुई थी। शी हैड कॉम्प्लिकेशंस इन हर नी, एंड व्हाई आई एम शेयरिंग दिस स्टोरी इज my oldest patient that I have seen is 93 years old, and he was 93 years old when he came to me घुटने की सर्जरीज करवा के। And similarly was the case with Mr. Sharma, but ये थोड़ा रिलेटेबल है, सब लोग 93 से रिलेट नहीं कर पाते। और सो बोथ ऑफ देम हैड द सेम थिंग। इनका room, the photo is not of the same lady. I hope you realize. But इनका ये था, her room was on the second floor. And there was no way कि वो lift लगा सकते थे. She wanted to go to her room twice a day. अगर दिन भर नीचे भी रहना है. So her only thing was कि मुझे अपने कमरे तक जाना है. That is my goal in life. Can you make me do that? We said, okay, fine. So we put her in program. She was working with us for 8 weeks. And उनके उसमें इतना फर्क आ गया कि I would not say a lot of it, but she could go to her room 3 to 4 times a day. She could play with her grandchildren also, which she could not do earlier. Okay, so relationship change हुआ वो सब, that's a different thing, story altogether. Okay. So these are just some certain things. And the gentleman that I'm talking about was 93 years old. उनका आप डिमांड सुनिए क्या था कि उनको बुलेट चला के, because he was working in an organization, he said मुझे बुलेट चला के सबके पास जाना है, गलियों में जाना है और नीचे जमीन पे बैठ के खाना खाना है, और तुम्हारा ये काम है तो कि तुम मुझको कराओगे. We said okay, done. Again, we worked with him for 4 weeks and he was good to go. So bilateral knee surgery, और वो जमीन पे बैठ के खाना खाते थे. Okay, not everybody can do this. Okay, let me also put this, not everybody can do that, but that gentleman के साथ हम वो कर पाए थे. Okay, so what I would want to do now is कि थोड़ा सा exercises करते हैं साथ में, because we've talked about what needs to be done. So exactly करना है क्या? Let me leave you with this. Do we want to do certain exercises? I'll leave you with certain exercises where you are working. Okay, we'll come to the questions later. Maybe we'll take a little time here, और जो 15 मिनट का आजू बाजू टाइम होगा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स का, उसमें थोड़ा सा कम करते हैं. So everybody has pain यहाँ पे, सबको होता है शाम तक होते होते. People who are working on the desk, people who are not working on the desk.
Hello.
Yeah, Isha, we are not able to hear from Dr. Isha. Can you connect with her? Our voices.
I would just give her a call.
Yeah, please give her a call, Tripti. I think maybe her network has some issue with her network.
Her video is also.
Yes, ma'am, her network, it shows a network issue only. That's why she got disconnected.
Yeah.
So someone please call Dr. Isha. If her network is not working, she can do with a hotspot also. Mobile hotspot.
Not connecting.
So like what all the webinars we are doing, friends, you all can do for your club members also. If you want to do like such kind of exercise, what to do and how, make it more like, interactive sessions and informative with the things to be like that they can demonstrate how to do it. This all you can do in your district also. And this also you can take as a project when you go to senior citizen. It is one of the very good project. Take physiotherapist who will demonstrate how to do exercise on day-to-day basis. Simple exercise. That project you all can also take up. हम लोग खाना तो खिलाते हैं सीनियर सिटीजन होम जब जाते हैं, we do lots of अन्नदान, but we also need to show them how to stay physically fit and active. So you can take your physiotherapist, you can find the local physiotherapist, and you can conduct the workshop on what kind of exercises to be done by the seniors.
Ma'am, Dr. Isha is not able to connect back.
Okay.
There is some severe problem, I guess, with her network. So we are trying her again. And you tell us what to do if she couldn't
No
connect.
problem. I think she has shared with us enough, Tapti. If she can't connect with us, we just request her to share a PowerPoint presentation, which we will share with our members, because what exercises our member can do, she can share that with the pictures, her PowerPoint presentation. I think that will be enough. Anyway, it is now 5:50 and we are always very punctual with our webinar timing. So, any question? Because if the questions, the doctor is not there, so there is no point on taking the questions or anything. I think Tapti is talking.
She says she's joining in another minute. If she does, then it's okay. Then otherwise
Yes,
we will wind up with
yes,
the process.
so let's wait for a minute, and if she joins, fine. Otherwise, anyway, Tapti, we are going to have closed this webinar by 6 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
We are very particular with the timing, so we will not go beyond 6 o'clock. Okay.
Dr. Isha, can you locate her? Has she joined? Isha ji?
And she has not joined yet. I am waiting for her to join.
So
Can we close it?
any member wants to give any feedback? How are you feeling? Now again, I will go back to our friend from the Bangladesh who is joined. How are you finding this, Zareen?
Yes, Madam Jyoti Mahipal, this
Yeah.
was really helpful for me because I am suffering from joint pain for the past 1.5 years. I also had chikungunya, unfortunately, this year in June. So as you all know, dengue and chikungunya, if you have that kind of fever, joint pains, prolonged joint pain stays for a long time. So yoga is helping me. But after, I also wanted to ask the doctor, I had my hysterectomy done in 2023. So I had to remove my uterus and both my ovaries. So after that, I am also facing unnecessary weight gain. And I did not take any hormone medicine because sometimes it can cause cancer in the body. So I am fighting. I'm struggling. At this age, I'm struggling with knee pain. And the way she has spoken and guided us today, it is extremely helpful. I really wanted to speak to her personally, if possible, today. And
she is joining. She is back.
She's joined.
Yes.
She is
Hello,
back.
doctor.
Yes,
Dr. Isha.
Come back.
Hi, Dr. Isha. This is Zareen from Bangladesh.
Hi, Zareen. How are you?
I'm okay. Thank you so much. I've been
I'm
listening.
so sorry, my system just hung.
No
It just gave
problem.
up on me.
No problem. It happens all the time.
This is my request because we have we always close our webinar on that time at 6 o'clock. So now I think you can take 2-3 questions, and if you can share your PowerPoint presentation with our member, so all the members who could not join, it will be very helpful to all of them.
I can do that. The only thing is my PowerPoint is in my system and it is hung.
It is?
Yeah.
So maybe I can share
Have
it
it from
with
you?
Anita ji later and she
Yes,
can
yes, sure,
probably
yes.
give
No
it
problem.
across.
Vibha
Yeah.
and Anita will coordinate and we will share with the members. So, I think the first question from the Zareen, you can, what is
Yes. Doctor, I had chikungunya in June this year. So after that,
okay.
I'm facing prolonged joint pain, both me and my husband. I am 49 and also after my hysterectomy in 2023, I gained weight. Hormonal imbalance. I've been desperately trying to lose weight, but मैंने वो छोड़ दिया अभी try करना. मैं योगा करती हूँ 15-20 minutes, मैं walk कर लेती हूँ सुबह. और stressful होता है सारा दिन का routine, you understand, but I still try to balance my खाना पीना and exercise. But ये joint pain का मसला मुझे बहुत ही trouble दे रहा है because both my knees, I cannot sit on the floor. Even yoga asana jab main karti hu, I have to put something warm or something soft under both my knees when I do my asana. So
Right.
मैं कैल्शियम लेती हूँ. I do take Centrum 50+ मैं ले रही हूँ. और मैं बायोटिन खाती हूँ रात को 10,000 mcg. और मेरा ब्लड प्रेशर का प्रॉब्लम है. It started from 2021. मैं वो भी
Okay.
लेती हूँ सुबह शाम.
And 20 mg morning, 20 mg in the evening?
नहीं मेरा सुबह का है 2.5 and रात को मैं जो लेती हूँ वो 40 है.
40. Got it.
जी.
Right. So first of all, very sorry that you had chikungunya. I
Yeah.
understand your pain. I had it last November. So it's bad.
जी.
So what we can do is, one, I would urge you to go see a nutritionist
जी.
and make your diet program very
Mhm.
well. Okay. In the end, if you want, I mean, everybody, my number is not here because it was the last slide. And so we can speak on a personal basis as well, and we
जी.
can have a longer session with each other. At the
जी.
same time, what you can do is have a lot of fluids.
Okay.
आप जितना fluid intake लेंगे, your muscles are going to get much softer. So
जी.
this tightness and this stiffness that you feel because of that,
जी.
तो वो ठीक रहेगा with a lot of fluids. And fluids can be in the form of soups, juices. I am not a fan of juice, but soups are great. You can have chaach, nibu pani,
जी.
lassi, etc.,
जी.
etc.
जी.
Again, try not to have a lot of juice. It's just sugar and water. That's all
Absolutely.
it comes
मैं
down
फ्रूट
to.
खा लेती हूँ थोड़ा बहुत. वही तो ठीक रहेगा ना. If I don't take juice,
Eating fruits is
fruits.
great.
जी.
Juicing them is not a great idea.
जी.
Okay, आप
Because वो
उसको
पल्प
soup बना
अगर
के
जाएगा तो मेरे लिए टॉक्सिन का भी मसला नहीं रहता है if I am taking the whole fruit. एक और मेरा क्वेश्चन है. मैं चाय बहुत पीती हूँ.
cut down on it. Please cut
जी.
down on the
I
amount of
can under ये
caffeine.
ज्योति जी भी she is also smiling. मैं चाय पीती हूँ. मैं किसी भी डॉक्टर के पास में जाती हूँ. The first thing I tell them कि मुझे माफ कीजिए. I have to have 3 mugs every day. यही मसला है
3
मेरा.
full mugs every day is fine.
जी.
But if you can, how do you counterbalance the amount of caffeine that you're taking through it is that when the moment you start having your cup of tea, have
जी.
equal amount of water and then have your tea.
अच्छा.
Sorry,
सुबह.
I just give you suggestion. Make the size of your cup small.
छोटा. Small.
है ना? So that
जी.
3 cups will become
Yes.
your 1.5 cup, and you will
जी.
maintain till that you have taken 3 cups.
Yeah.
Dr.
Right.
I
Isha,
have
And
to
can
do
we
as
it.
just
far
see
as
if there
ज्योति
are
जी
more?
मेरा मुझे लग रहा है ये दूध चाय से ही मेरा वेट लॉस नहीं हो रहा है बहुत दिन से.
Dr. Isha?
So, as far as your movements are concerned, what I
हाँ
would
जी.
like you to do is do a lot of stretches.
अच्छा.
Instruct your yoga therapist कि
जी.
आपको extensions और basic flexions में ज़्यादा काम करवाए. Inversions इस वक्त बहुत ज़्यादा ना करवाए.
जी.
And what you can also do is take a hot shower twice a day. I'm sure you're already doing that because it
I
must
do.
make you feel better.
जी.
And just try a lot of stretches even while you're sitting through the day. If you're working, non-working, I have no idea.
I
But
am
then
working.
you
जी.
can just do a lot of stretches. I do understand that when you're going to do that, initially the pain is going to go up, but
हम्म.
the continuation of it in all major body joints, just do good amount of stretches. So every joint must be stretched about 4 to 5 times through
जी.
the day.
जी. And सूर्य
आप ये
नमस्कार,
करिए,
is it
you'll
okay
start
for me?
feeling changes in about a week's time.
अच्छा.
They
Is सूर्य नमस्कार all right for
you
me?
also need to take Zareen question.
Surya Namaskar will take
Remember
a lot of
also.
strength. It will make you tired. So
ठीक है.
stretching more and strength a little less for now.
ठीक है.
Maybe after another 4 weeks, you can start concentrating on the strength part.
ठीक है. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank
Thank
Bhakti,
you,
we
Dr.
have
Isha.
other questions also, no?
No, actually, we don't have many questions as far as technical things are concerned, but then we are running short of time. So, since there are no more questions, I thank Dr. Isha for taking this question at length, and you can later, also guide her in detail. Can we move forward with the program, Jyoti ma'am, because we are almost at
Yes.
the fag end of the
Yes.
time.
Yes.
Thank you, Dr. Isha. The way you have answered her and clarified her query, I guess most of us are benefited. There was not many questions. Most of them were related to the same only. So thank
So
you so
thank you
much
so
for
much,
guiding us
and
through.
extremely sorry for the technical glitch.
No, that's okay.
And we are expecting your PPT so that we can help our members
Absolutely,
later
absolutely.
on.
Take care.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And now, proceeding to the next level, I would request our District Chairman Vibha Singh ji to extend her closing remark because we owe a lot of applause to the speakers for their sharing their knowledge and experiences with
Oh,
us.
thank you. What a wonderful and enlightening evening this has been. I know we have crossed our time limit, but we thoroughly enjoyed it and hope it will be beneficial for the members who have joined. Today's webinar, Inner Wheel Cares for Senior Citizens, was truly special, filled with wisdom, warmth, and practical learning. Why I'm not there on the screen, Tapti?
Isha will be able to tell you.
Isha, why I'm not there on the screen? My screen is coming blank.
Ma'am, I think your camera is
Yeah.
not able to read you.
Okay. Oh, my camera was upside down. I'm so sorry.
You're visible, ma'am.
Dr. Apur Pauranik's session on brain health gave us so many valuable takeaways. He said, if the body is fit, the brain is healthy. He reminded us that the brain is not separate from the body and that a healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, and mental discipline can help us avoid conditions like dementia, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. He worked so deeply on his subject that he beautifully says, पता नहीं, मैंने पहले भी कहा था कि मुझे न्यूरोलॉजी ने चुना या मैंने न्यूरोलॉजी ने मुझे चुना. तो उनका सेशन आई होप बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रॉमिसिंग था, सबको बहुत ज्यादा फायदा हुआ करेगा. Then Dr. Isha Kulshrestha brought amazing energy into the session. She made us realize the promise of movement. She shared that the 2050, over 20% of India's population will be above 60, yet 40% of age-related and disabilities can be prevented or delayed through active aging. Her interactive style made everyone check their own strength and flexibility, isn't it? She literally got us moving. Her simple practical tips on staying active, confident, and independent truly connected with all of us. As district chairman, I feel deeply grateful to our association president, Mrs. Jyoti Maipalji, for giving us this beautiful opportunity and this meaningful topic. Jyoti ji, your vision continues to inspire us to think beyond ourselves, to care for those who once cared for us. My heartfelt appreciation also to Anita Seth, President of Inner Wheel Club of Indore, Uptown, and our district editor Tapti for their tireless efforts. From designing the posters, preparing the agenda, moderating to reassuring me constantly. विभा जी सब हो जाएगा, आप तो आराम से अपना OCV पर ध्यान दीजिए. Truly, this evening wouldn't have been possible without you girls. And of course, a special thanks to PAT Shashi Shukla ji for introducing Dr. Isha so gracefully, so beautifully. Friends, today's session has reminded us that caring for senior citizens begins with caring for our own health, keeping our body, mind, and heart strong. Let us carry forward this message. One second. And spread it through our clubs to promote active, happy and graceful aging everywhere. जैसा ज्योति जी ने कहा, हमें डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे, क्लब लेवल पे हमें ये प्रोजेक्ट करना ही है. केवल खाना खिलाने से काम नहीं चलेगा, उनके लिए हमें एक्सरसाइज सेशंस, ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग सेशंस सब करवाने पड़ेंगे, तभी हम ट्रू सेवा कर पाएंगे उनकी. बुजुर्ग हमारे जीवन के अनमोल रतन हैं, उनका आशीर्वाद हमारे जीवन की सबसे बड़ी दौलत है. Thank you all for being part of this beautiful and inspiring evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vibha ji.
Congratulations, Vibha.
And
thank you, Jyoti ji. Thank you very much.
We, on behalf of Inner Wheel District 304, also extend thanks to the participants who are here for their valuable time. They say that time is priceless, so I'm extending
You also conducted very well, Tapati.
Thank you.
খুব ভালো করেছো.
Thank you. So we are here with full of gratitude for the speakers for their shared knowledge. We extend our thanks to the association president and district chairman for giving us this precious time and the opportunity, of course. We are very thankful towards the IWC Indore Uptown for coordinating so well with the speakers and other dignitaries. We are very thankful that PDCS and all association dignitaries took out time to encourage us in our effort. We thank Asia for helping us technically, and all the participants, of course, for keeping patience and hearing us out.
Yes,
Let us
because
now.
Isha, we are having a very flawless webinars. Thank you, Isha.
Most welcome, ma'am.
And coming to Delhi next week. So we will meet you.
Yes, ma'am, definitely, ma'am.
And before we adjourn the meeting, we would stand for national anthem, and let us now lead to national anthem. I request Shweta Bianiji, District Secretary, to start with the national anthem and lead us, all of us, towards it.
Shall I play the national anthem?
That will be better.
Okay.
Pardon? Yeah,
That will
please
be
lead the
better.
national anthem. Thank you, Isha. May I now request Vibha Singh ji to announce the adjournment of the session?
Now the meeting is adjourned. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vibha ji.
Thank you, Tapti. Thank you so much. Thank you, Anita. If
We
Shashi
are
is there,
pleasured.
thank you so much, Shashi. Thank you, Jyoti ji. Thank you for entrusting me. Thank you so much.